KangFa Machinery, leading farming equipment manufacturer. We specialize in providing innovative and efficient farming solutions. Our three main products, automated layer chicken cages, European rabbit cages, and heating boilers, are designed to enhance productivity, reduce labor. Automated layer chicken cages. Our automated layer chicken cages are engineered for modern poultry farming. Automatic feeding, egg collection, and manure cleaning system, they improve egg production efficiency while maintaining hygiene. The durable galvanized steel construction ensures a long service life, while the optimized cage design enhances bird comfort and air circulation. European-style rabbit cages. The European-style rabbit cages are designed for commercial rabbit farming. These cages support efficient feeding and waste management, ensuring healthier growth and higher productivity. Made from high-quality materials, they offer excellent durability and ease of maintenance. Our heating boilers are designed to provide reliable and efficient heating for various agricultural and livestock applications. Whether for vegetable drying, poultry house heating, or general farm heating, our systems ensure stable temperature control and energy efficiency. We offer two heating options to suit different needs. Water heating system uses hot water circulation for steady and uniform heating, ideal for poultry farms and greenhouses. Air heating system delivers warm air quickly, ensuring rapid temperature adjustments for drying crops and warming livestock enclosures. We are committed to quality, innovation, and customer satisfaction. Our advanced manufacturing technology and strict quality control guarantee top-tier products that meet international standards.